Hey guys, what's happening? How to send a PDF on iPhone. So go ahead and open up your files and select the PDF file that you want to share. Let's say, for example, this resume. Alright? So simply just click the share button at the bottom left and you can share it across social media. Drive or send it as a mail, note, or WhatsApp or any other platform that you might use. So if you want to send it through a mail, just go ahead and hit the mail, right? And simply add the email of the person who will receive the resume, right? In my case, resume, and add the title of the PDF file or add the title of the email, okay? And then hit send, the blue button next to the new message. So that's turn on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for